so you don't have any more hang time on your beard. You're gonna be shaving off your beard clean off tomorrow. So you're gonna go back to the B-boy look. The B-boy look? Bitch boy. But then you're wondering, what are you gonna do with all that beard oil? I'll tell you what to do with all your beard oil. You see this? That's what you do with that beard oil. Oh, you have some more? You see this? Toss it. That's what you do with your beard oil. Oh, you got some more. Don't worry, we can take care of that. You see this? That's what you get. No beard, no more beard oil. This is what not to do. Yeah, that's not what you do with your beard oil when you don't have a beard. What's going on, my brothers from across the world? It is I, the Jester, coming at you live with some info or some advice. Today we're going to be talking about beard oil. And what the hell are you going to do with all that oil when you don't have a beard? Well, it's extremely simple. It's just like when you don't have a beard and you're stuck with a whole bunch of beard butter. You can utilize it on your body, not just your beard. Actually, you can probably utilize more the oil than anything because beard oil is technically made for the skin beneath your beard. So if you don't have a beard, you can still use it on your skin because that's what it's meant to be originally. There's a big misconception, a big confusion that beard oil is just for your beard. It's going to do amazing things for your beard, which it does aid in healthy beard growth, but it mainly focuses on the skin beneath your beard. Like right now, I'm at the stage where it kind of itches, and beard oil will work perfectly and stop the itch. You can utilize those beautiful oils that mainly the great companies out there make it with organic and natural ingredients. Let me give you a perfect example. Oh, you like that background? You like that background. So in this video, we're gonna actually use BeardGen's beard oil and show you how to utilize beard oil, not for your beard, because you don't have any, if you're like me, and show you what you can actually utilize this with your body. How can you apply it? How does it feel? Can you use on your face? Can you use on your arm? Can you use on your tattoos? What I know personally from this awesome company, BeardGen, that they use organic and natural ingredients, high-grade, top-notch, premium carrier oils in their oil. BeardGens.com. Oh, you like that promo? But this company is actually a great example on what beard oil can do for your skin, because you can feel the amazing quality of this oil. Just like the beard butter, you can actually put beard oil on your face. You have to also experiment on the amount where it fits you, because everybody's skin is different. Everybody's face is bigger, smaller, fatter. Me personally, during the day, I would probably put 3 drops in my hand, rub it on my face. Or at nighttime, I usually put 5 drops, more like a deep overnight conditioner for my skin. Or when I'm really focused on a certain area of my face, like the crow's feet over here, which I don't have, but you can use it as a preventative. Some of the wrinkles here in the forehead, little fine lines I like to put over here so it can nourish the skin, improve the elasticity, and everything like that. So let me give you an example. I'm going to put 3 drops. I'm going to make it to this daytime. It's actually nighttime right now. And I'm going to put 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Now, since this is beard oil, not beard butter, you really don't have to work it in too much. Ah, it's that Mr. Cool from BeardGen. Smells amazing. And as you can see, it doesn't even look oily or greasy, like it's gonna clog your pores or anything like that. So you just work it in your skin, just like that. Like you're actually putting on lotion. And if you have a little stubble like me right here, you can put it on your beard. And since you're putting it on your face, as well as your little bitch beard, it's gonna smell even more. I love to put beard oil and beard butter on my eyebrows. I'm gonna be doing a video on that as well, about eyebrows. As you can see, that's simple. Not greasy, not oily, not clog pouring or anything like that. BeardGen is premium. But you can almost feel the softness right away. It's awesome. But if you want to target certain places on your face that you see getting a little wrinkly, a little fine lines, you could simply put it on your finger, you like a drop, and concentrate on that area, like these crow's feet right here. I know a lot of ladies are like very anal about that. Rub it on here, and like I said, beard oil is meant for your skin and not your beard. So you're gonna get all these awesome carrier oils that benefit your skin tremendously. The beautiful thing about BeardGen, they list their products, their ingredients right here in the label, really clear for you to read. So allow me to read it. This one, each oil that they have has different carrier oils in them, so you never get the same thing, which is great. It keeps the beard guessing as well as the skin beneath the beard. But here, right here, this is their Mr. Cool. They have Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and jojoba oil. If you Google any of those properties, those oil properties, you're gonna see the benefit it has to the skin on your face. So do me a favor, my bearded brethren or my beardless brethren. If you shave your beard off, don't throw away your beard oil. You could utilize it. Don't let it expire. But that's all I have for you, my bearded brothers or my beardless brothers. It is I, the Jester, coming at you live. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. And follow me on Instagram.